Hello everyone. In software world, it is said that a code is repeated, then abstraction is needed. If a process is repeated, then automation is needed. So today I'm going to give a demo in which I will show you one such process automation. So I have a Medium account where I publish the stories. So right now you can see there are 15 stories. So in each story, I provide a link to my Angular course. So that link is here. Please take a look. So when I click on this link, it will end up on Angular practicals. So you can see the course price is 389 for now, but what I can do, I can create the coupons and I can give it on discounted prices. So that coupon is to be modified here in this link. So when I click on three dot menu and click edit story, I can go here and change the link. So right now you can see this is referring to Udemy courses Angular practical, and I can provide a coupon here. So this is in the image, you can see it is one discounted coupon is there. So the price is 455 instead of 1200. So this is how I can change. So now you can see that there are total 15 stories. If I create a coupon and change in all those 15 links, it would be a tedious task. So I need a automation here. So what I did, I just created an automation for this in Python and Selenium. For that we need to install Python on our system. So I have already installed Python on my system, and there is a video where you can see how to install Python on your system. So if I write Python ---- version, you can see 3.10 is installed on my system, and we need to install two modules for it. So those modules are Selenium and webdriver-manager. So Selenium is a tech stack for web automation, and we will be utilizing Chrome for that. So we will install Chrome webdriver-manager also, so it will manage the Chrome. All right, so I have already downloaded those two modules, and now let's jump into the code. So I'm using VS Code editor for managing my script. You can see there are two Python files, main.py and common.py. So let's look into the main.py. Here I have imported the modules which are required. So from Selenium I am importing WebDriver, then service, then Chrome driver manager. I am using time module to give sleep of 10 seconds, and then this is my custom module which is common, and I'm importing everything from there. So this is the promotional link that I want to apply. So let me make a change here. Right now I have given the correct promotional coupon code. Then I'm using this Chrome options and my profile. So here I'm using this Chrome profile. The reason for that, in the Chrome profile you can see there are total 4 profiles. So when I click on this profile, which is I'm going to use in my code, it will land up into the Medium account already logged in. I don't have to log in into the Medium account with the credentials. So all those settings are there in that profile. So I will be using that profile for my Chrome. And when I click open that web browser with that profile, so it will directly land up here on this published story page. So here you can see I'm using that profile, and I am using this service object which requires Chrome driver manager to install. So it will download the Chrome web driver, and if it is not there, then it will download and install it, and then it will launch it with this profile. So once that is done, then I will go through all the XPath from the story. I'm using that find element method by XPath, and I will going through all those links. So here you can see there are total 15 links, so it will go through this all those links, and I will collect the text in the code. So here you can see I have created a list. I am taking up all those text from there, and then I'm going to enumerating from that list. For each link I'm going to apply this set promotion code. So in this code you can see, first I'm going to get the title and click on it. So this is the title, auto refresh or polling using RxJS timer operator. When I'm click on it, I will land up here on this story. So then I will click on 3-dot menu. So this is the 3-dot menu. I'm going to click on this edit story. So that code is written here. I'm again everywhere I'm using find element method by XPath, and then I'm giving proper time dot sleep 5 or 7 or 10 seconds. Now I'm going to look for this please take a look link. So here you can see the link is here, please take a look, and I will make all the changes which is required. So I will apply the promotional link over there with the href changes, and then I will make some modification in the in a text, because otherwise this button is not going to enable. So what I'm making the changes here. I will make some space like this. So when I make space like this button will be available, and then I will get that button with XPath, and I'm going to click on that button. So when I click here, this story will be modified, and then I'm going to click on stories, and I will go for the other story. So stories and then publish story. So I'm going to click here stories, and then I will come back to this published story. So for the next round I will be working on this second link. So let me give you a quick demo. Let me close all those Chrome browser and let me run this script. So I'm in the main Python. I modified the promotion. So let me check it again. So it is 500, and now I am going to run this script. So it is going to run. So first it will install the WebDriver, and then it will launch it with my profile. So it will directly log into my Medium account. So let's see. Yes, so we are on our Medium account story page. Now it will select the first link, and the background will be blue because that is what written in the code. So the link is selected. Now I will click on 3-dot menu as I earlier said. So it will click on 3-dot menu. Just wait. Yes, and now it will click on edit story. And now it will search for the please take a look anchor tag, and then it is going to change the href which I want, and then it will make some changes in please subscribe. It will add some space in the end, and this button is enabled. It is going to click on save and publish, and again it will go to the stories. So in the first iteration I made the changes in the first story, and in this way it will iterate through all the 15 stories. So in the future we can see that if I have 100 published stories, it would have been a very tedious job to make the change in promotional link for each and every story. So I made it automated, and this is the beauty of automation. So let me quickly check it out. Since there are 15 links, so it is going to take some time. So I'm going to close it, and I will show you whether the change has been applied or not. So I am saving, I'm closing this link and deleting it. Now let me open my Chrome browser and go to the Medium. Account, and then let's see whether the change has been applied or not. So let me go to the stories, published, and I'm going to click this one, the first one. So earlier in the link it was 389 after discount. and now I have applied a coupon. So when I click on this link, you can see the coupon code is correctly applied and the amount is correctly reflected. So this is 499 for this coupon code and it is automatically reflected. So now you can understand the power of automation. I hope the session is clear. If you have any queries, you can contact me. Thank you. Guys, I have created a video course on Udemy, which is Angular Practicals. It covers many practical problems and solutions in Angular. So if you go through it, there are various sections: basic practical problems and solutions, then RxJS, best practices, code refactoring, design pattern, performance. So right now it is 2.5 hours long, but I am updating it every now and then. So link is provided in the description. I hope you will like it.